everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about that how to insert decals in Solidworks. So let's begin. Here we already have created a body to insert decal on it. First of all, click on appearances and here we find the option decal. Click on decal and here number of images available. So select any image from here, just double click on the image and in the left side we find the decal menu and here the decal preview, and from here we can browse the image which we want to use as an decal. So from here we are going to insert the image. Okay, now the preview of the image is available here. Now click on mapping and here selected geometry. So we can apply decal on the surface, selected surface and bodies and the features. So here we are going to apply decals on the surface. So here select the face and scrolling down the cursor, the first option is mapping. So here 4 options available. The first one is label and the next is projection and spherical. If you want to apply decal on any spherical body, so here select spherical and the next option is cylindrical. So from here we select label. Okay, now moving in downward direction. Here the first option is horizontal location and the vertical location of the image. So from here we can adjust the position of that image on the body. Okay, so here we enter 30 mm. Now we can also adjust the width and the height of the image. When we increasing the number from here, you can see the changes in the decal image here. Okay, now we are going to rotate it. So here enter the value is 180 degree to put the image in the right area, and from here we can adjust its position on the image. Okay, the next option is we can also mirror the decal. Is mirror it horizontally and mirror it vertically. So when we apply mirror, you can check the changes in the images, changing the decal. So we here I'm selecting it, and the next option is illumination. So here click on illumination. So we can increase its diffuse amount. Here we can find number of option available, the reflection amount. Okay, we are going to increase a little bit points of reflection amount. The next option is transparent amount and blurry selection. So these all are the options which are used in visualization in Solidworks to enhance the visuals of the body and decals. So here click on OK. So now you can check the image is inserted on the body by using the decal option. So this is all about that how to insert decals in Solidworks on any body. Thanks for watching the video.
We'll be right back.